welcome back to another video and thank you for tuning in. And today's video, we are going to be detailing the engine bay of the C230 and restoring the headlight on the car because as you guys can see from last video, I know you guys had some comments. The headlights definitely needs restored, make it look new again. I don't know if I've done a video on this particular DIY on the CLK, but I did it once, I believe twice to it already, and it's still looking pretty good. And so we're going to be doing it to the C230 here, as well as detailing the engine bay. You guys have already seen the engine bay already. I'm gonna pop it open anyways. I think we'll do that first before the headlight restoration. Yeah, it's not looking the greatest. There's a lot of dust. But yeah, this car lived in the north, so you can see some rust on the pulleys and, you know, at different spots on the engine bay. That we won't be taking care of, but we're gonna try and make the engine bay look pretty clean, guys, so stay tuned for that. And as well as the headlights. Guys, so the two products I'm only gonna be using for the engine bay is the tire shine. It should work with all the plastic. It should be fine with, you know, everything in the engine bay. I don't have any other products, but this is the only one I had. I didn't think about picking one up, so this should work perfectly if you guys are doing this at home. Again, if you don't want to use this, you can use a different product that's meant for the engine bay. I'm sure you can find a lot better products than this. So this is what we're going to be using to shine the engine bay after we're done. And scrub and bubble, guys. This is the #1 product to get all the dirt off of the engine bay. I'm about to wash the engine bay real quick. Just look out for like electrical parts, parts that are sensitive to water. You don't want to spray too much. You want to get a good setting on your hose, so you're not just, you know, spraying water in there. But let me go ahead and set my settings real quick. So something like this is pretty much light. I'll start with this real quick. That was pretty simple. Nothing too crazy. I wasn't just spraying it all over the car. So now we go ahead and use the scrub and bubbles real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and hose this down real quick, and we're gonna see how it looks. Guys, look at it. It's already looking pretty clean and pretty good. So I think I'm gonna wipe it down real quick with a towel, and then we can go ahead and make it shiny, look shiny. Woo, guys, check it out. It's already looking really clean. Pretty much there's really not that much dirt or dust on the engine bay. Matter of fact, you can even leave it like this, but if you want it to shine, you know, it's gonna look even a lot better. This is looking really good, guys. Guys, check it out. This is the end product. I am very impressed with it. It looks phenomenal. It looks really great, guys. It looks really clean. I'm impressed with it. Obviously, like, you know, there are little spots like in the corners in there where I can't really reach. You can tell from, you know, that corner right there. But other than that, yeah, this is looking pretty good. This is like, I approve this. So I think I'm gonna dive into the headlights, get this bad boy looking nice and clean again. I'm pretty impressed with this. Really, this I'd say do every, you know, 3 months, because eventually it's gonna get dirty again. And you guys saw how fast the process was. It was just a spray with the scrubbing bubbles, and then rinse it off, and then use the tire shine or whichever product you want to use on your engine bay. But I'm really impressed with this, and I'm glad this is finally clean. It makes me feel better. Anyways, let's move on to the headlights, and we can begin that. I ended up going with the heavy duty restoration kit. This is it right here. You guys can check this out. I got this from Walmart. Alright guys, so what you want to do is mask off this area. I've already done that with masking tape. So just to prevent any, you know, scratches on the paint of the car. Obviously the paint on the car is already terrible, so, but I already went ahead and did this already. But first thing, what you want to do is just pretty much use a glass cleaner and spray it on here, just to take off any debris or dirt on the headlight itself. So I'm going to do that right now. This is the one I'm using. This is a really good product. Go ahead and wipe this off. We're gonna go ahead and use the 1000 grit sandpaper. I've got water over here. Trust me, it's water. I just poured it in there. What you want to do is dampen this real quick. After you dampen it, you want to dampen the headlight as well, and then just begin sanding until, you know, it's very frosted and unclear.
We have to do it again.
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and use my 2000 grit sandpaper. And just repeat the same process. All right, we're on 3000. Alright guys, time to use our pad. So we're gonna be applying this on the pad, and then just kind of, you know, smoothen, not smoothen, but like make everything nice and clear and nice. Alright, after you're done, you don't want anything to dry on here, so just go ahead and wipe it off. After after you wipe it off, you want to use the glass cleaner again. Guys, that looks really, really good. That looks great. All right, so the last step is to use the sealant on this pad. Go ahead and shake it. And you just want to apply it to the pad. And then you just begin from top to bottom. So this is a nice coat of sealant to protect the headlight. This should protect it for at least, you know, a year and a half. This looks amazing. And let me show you the other side real quick, and then you guys can look at this side real quick. Yeah, that looks really great. Love it. Alright guys, I'm going to repeat this process for the other side. Once I'm done, you guys will see the end results. Alright guys, take a look at both the engine bay and the headlights. I hope you can see the headlight really good. On camera, it doesn't look like it's being shown that well. It looks like there are glares on it, but you guys know how the headlight already looks, and the engine bay looks phenomenal. Phenomenal, guys. I love how it looks. Alright guys, well, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you picked up something from detailing the engine bay and the restoration of the headlights. I had fun doing this, and I think you guys can do it at home as well. It's not that bad at all. It just takes a little bit of some time and some care doing it. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.